How to check Twitter QR code. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Twitter application over here on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and select on profile. Now here simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen, and what you can simply do is tap on share. As you select on share, you can simply see different options. So let's first tap on the link to be copied. So let's just send it somewhere over here. So I'm going to send on Telegram for now. So let's just send it over here. Now here we get the link, so we can simply copy the link over here. So let's copy the link, and then we can simply launch any browser that we have on our device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and what you simply need to do is you need to open up this option called QR code generator. So let's just launch the QR code generator option. You can also use QR code generator as an app. So let's just select on the option over here. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. So simply what you need to do is enter the link over here. So let's just tap on the link option and then paste it and generate QR code. So as you do that, you'll be able to see the QR code. You can simply select different frames that is more convenient for you, and that's how you can simply tap on download and download the QR as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.